Polynesian on my off-whites, and my sandwich doesn't taste right. I forgot to get gas, and now there's no chance that I'ma be on time. Bird shit on my window. What the fuck, just got it clean though. Crazy traffic on the 10, my stomach's giving in. Shit, I gotta go. Just when the day can't get any worse, I hit my elbow and damn that shit hurt. Can't find my phone, left it at home. And elevator's broken, so I took the stairs, opened the door, and like that you were there. And in 1 second, I walked into heaven. And it's been the worst, best day ever. It's been the worst, best day ever. And even though it didn't go my way, just me and you made it okay. It's been the worst, best day ever. We walked into the cafe. Of course they messed up your frappe, but I see you don't mind, and maybe it's time I started living that way. Never felt this high when I met someone. You just made rock bottom so much fun. I'm liking this one-on-one. I thought my day couldn't get any worse. You're such a good thing today, that's a first. A smile so infectious, wanna see it for breakfast.